Hi guys, welcome back. Watch Fanatic here. Okay, so this video I'm going to show you how to clean your watch. If you've got a stainless steel, it has to be a waterproof, water resistant watch. This one's got 100 meters because we are going to be immersing it in water. But if you want to clean your watch, which you should do, I mean this watch I wear, it's probably the most worn watch I've got out my watch collection. So I'm wearing this a lot and on a daily basis usually. And even though it looks clean, it's getting dirt in between the links, at the back of the buckle, especially in this hot weather. It can start to get nasty pretty soon. I mean, this is pretty clean. I mean, I keep myself clean. I try to keep my watches clean. And even though this looks clean, you'd probably be amazed how much dirt that can get trapped in between all these links. And this always amazes me when I buy, especially a lot of the vintage watches that I've bought. When I come to clean them, you think, oh, they're pretty clean, and the amount of dirt that drops out of them. So with those, I won't immerse them. I'll be very careful not to actually get them, get water inside the movements. But with this one, because we've got a screw down crown, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that the crown is nicely screwed down. We don't want to get any water in there. And all you need to clean a stainless steel watch, you don't need any special products at all. You just need warm water and a little drop of washing nut liquid. Okay, that's just some Lidl's basic washing nut liquid. Any make will do. Now I've got myself a bowl of warm water. So you want the water warm because then it's going to help break down the dirt. There's a bit of washing nut liquid in there. And I've got an old toothbrush, which I just use for cleaning the watches. So really, you just want to get your watch and drop it into the warm water and give it a little bit of time for the soap and the water to soak into the grime of the watch, and it should start freeing it from the actual bracelet and the dial and whatnot. So just by agitating the watch in the water, that's probably the first thing I'm going to do. Just get that water moving around everything. Dunk it in and out. So dirt kind of builds up in all these little areas under the clasp, inside the links where you can't really see it, and it starts to build up. Now I washed this not that long ago, so it's not going to be covered in dirt. But even a short amount of time wearing it, it's incredible how much stuff can get collected. And what you're going to find is what you thought you had a clean watch, it's going to really brighten the stainless steel up without having to polish it or anything, just using warm soapy water. So once it's been given a good dunking, then you can use a toothbrush to try to release any dirt that's inside those links. Brush around all the different areas where the dirt can get trapped slightly. Try not to bash the watch too much on the bowl itself. So this is where you often get a lot of dirt, in this clasp area here. So get your toothbrush and try to get as much of that out as possible, and give it a dunk again, and all that debris should start coming out. Just methodically go around the bracelet, giving everything a bit of a brush, keep dunking it, get the loose stuff out. And this, I mean, it's not going to get rid of any scratches, but it's really going to brighten the stainless steel up. It's quite incredible how it revives it. Underneath here as well, these are the areas where you get the dirt. And then the bezel itself, get around the gaps because you're going to get dirt build up around here. Give it a turn, because another thing, the bezels can get quite stiff just from a build up of dust and dirt. It can seize them up, so it's another good thing to periodically give your watch a good wash to get all this crapola out. So once you think you've got it all out, then what we're going to do is take the watch out, and then I'm going to rinse that under the tap. First, let's have a look at the water here. And you can see it's really gone dark. That was completely clean water with just a bit of washing up liquid. And there's black bits. Ooh, with debris floating around. So I've gone to the tap and I've given that a good rinse off. And the last thing is just get something like a tea towel to dry it off. Something soft. I'm not polishing it, I'm just trying to dry it off a bit quicker. And you can see it's really brightened the stainless steel up. It starts to look like brand new again. And there, after a little bit of a dry, I've got my microfiber cloth just to give it, make sure it's completely dry, tiny soft polish. And then you can see it's absolutely immaculate. All the grime's been removed from inside the links, and that lifts the look of the watch. So what you thought was perhaps quite a clean watch beforehand has been really lifted. And it just shows really the quality of Pagani design as well. The bracelets, they're pretty good for the money. And I've had this quite a long time now. It's had a lot of use and it's holding up really well. Always cleans up beautifully. It's resisting scratches, even on the highly polished case on the sides. I've probably got a couple of small scratches, but it's doing very well. Now this is the watch that I replaced the bezel. So with this Pagani watch, it came as a Pepsi style, and I wasn't really happy with it because it's an aluminium Pepsi. So you'll see, if you look at my videos, I've got a video on how I swapped over this. Let me just open this for you. That aluminium Pepsi bezel, which was what it came with, I swapped that over for a ceramic bezel from AliExpress, but you can buy this watch with that on it already. except the GMT hand will be white where this one's red. That's the only difference. But for a couple of quid, I say if you look at my videos, I'll show you how I did that. It's very quick and easy to do. And I've kept the old one if I ever want to put it back on. But I'm happy with this ceramic bezel. As you see, I've just given it a real good clean in warm water. It hasn't fallen off or anything, so there's probably a few light scratches which have happened to this Jubilee style bracelet, but it's holding up. It's not stretched too much. It's not drooping too much, which is pretty good because I've given that quite a lot of wear. Let's finally put it on the wrist. Now it's all lovely and clean. Make sure all the moisture's off it. I mean, it's definitely picked up a few light scratches on the buckle there, but it's holding up really well. I can totally recommend this watch. I think for the 60 to 70 pounds I paid for it, bargain. With the NH35 Seiko movement, keeps good time, it's reliable, it's got a really good standby of around 70 hours I think. And it cleans up really good. And that's all you need to clean a stainless steel watch. Warm water, a toothbrush, rinse it off, obviously a bit of washing up liquid. That's it. Nothing more abrasive than that. That will knock all the dirt that's in the crooks and crannies of the watch. You know, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you're going to do this, just make sure your watch is water resistant and you've got the crown screwed down. And then you're good to go. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more watch related content. Look back at all my old videos. I've got plenty of videos on these Pagani watches and lots of vintage watches and other stuff as well. Take care.